we gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who's.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. Today's unit is from Amazon Upermall hair store. This is how the unit is looking, you all, and as always I'd like to give you the details about the unit. It has a comb at the back, the adjustable strap, a comb in the middle, and a comb on each side. This unit is a 4x4 closure wig. The color is 1B and the length is 12 inches. I'll waste no time and go right in and put the wig on. This is how the wig is looking when you put it on, and I am in love with the wig already. I love the feel. It feels really soft and natural. It is just giving you that human hair, real human hair vibes. Even though it's a human hair wig, but you guys know what I'm talking about when it said real human hair vibe. It looks a bit longer than 12 inch, but guys, we'll work with that. And this is how the back of the wig is looking. My method of madness is always putting the unit to the back. Therefore, I don't go in and cut no extra hair from the wig. So I'll get an elastic band and put the hair in a ponytail. I'll use the Got2b gel to lay the lace. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know. Now I'll go in and use the scissors to remove the lace. You all know a girl gotta go in and make some toddler hair. Now I'll go in with the wax stick to get rid of the flyaways and give the hair additional sheen, and this also helps to flatten the hair. Now I'll go in with a flat iron to straighten the hair. I am adding some concealer to the parting space, then I'll go over with the face powder.
'Cause now you stay home and you told me to move on. I know I won't.
This is another gorgeous bob wig from Amazon, you all, and I must say the quality is great. It is giving you real human hair vibes. It is soft and bouncy and nice. I love that the density throughout the wig is the same. Normally when you buy your wig, especially a bob wig, the back is always longer than the front and it's always like a 150 or 180 in the back, in the front is always like 130. But as you can see, this one is perfect. I experienced minimal shedding, no tangling, guys. The price of this unit is only $61. So if you like this wig, guys, the link to Upermall here is in the description down below. You can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.